In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the head or footer HTML of HubSpot content. We'll start at the very beginning so nothing is missed. First, open your browser and head to HubSpot. Sign in with the account that has permissions to manage website settings. Having the right access matters here because we're about to make changes that apply across your site. Once you're in, look for the settings icon in the main navigation. Click it to open your account settings. On the left sidebar, find the section for website content. Choose Content, then select Pages. This area controls how your site's pages behave, and it's where HubSpot centralizes the fields for adding custom code. Inside Pages, locate the options for custom code. You'll see two important areas. The first is for code that goes into the HTML head of your pages. This is ideal for items that need to load early or configure the page, such as analytics, tracking snippets, verification tags, font or style sheet links, structured data, and meta-related scripts. When you paste code here, include it exactly as the provider gives it to you. For styles, that usually means a link tag or style block. For scripts, keep the script tags intact and consider async or defer attributes when recommended so you don't slow down the page. The second area is for code that appears right before the closing body tag, often called the footer or end of body placement. This is best for JavaScript that doesn't need to block initial rendering, things like chat widgets, marketing pixels that should fire after content loads, or features that enhance the page after it's visible. Again, paste the snippet as provided and avoid wrapping it in extra HTML like additional head or body tags. Keep these snippets concise and only add what you truly need to avoid conflicts or performance issues. If your account supports multiple domains, double-check which domain or group of domains you're editing so your changes land in the right place. When you're done adding your snippets, save your changes. Saving applies the code across all pages controlled by these settings. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Only add scripts from trusted sources and keep privacy and consent requirements in mind if you're loading trackers. If a provider tells you exactly where to place their snippet, head versus end of body, follow their guidance. After saving, give it a moment to propagate, then test a published page to confirm the code is present and functioning as expected. That's it. You've successfully added code to the head or footer HTML of your HubSpot content.